Hey guys, I'm back with another hairstyles video, and this time 8 amazing hairstyles. I have to tell you that I have put in a lot of effort in this one, so if you like it or if you try it, do like, comment and subscribe. So for the first hairstyle, I'll be doing a front head Dutch braid. It is going to be super quick and easy once you get your hands on it. Take a section of your hair like I did and split it into 3 strands. Take your back strand, pass it under the middle strand, and then take your front strand and pass it under the middle strand. Then add hair to the front strand and pass it under the middle strand, and then pass the back strand under the middle strand. You do not have to add hair to your back strand, just add hair to your front strand and pass it under the middle strand. Now it is like a simple Dutch braid that you pass your front and back strands under the middle strand. The only difference is that in this one I am adding hair to the front strand only and not to the back strand. So I'm going to explain it again. Take your front strand, add hair to it and pass it under the middle strand, and then pass your back strand under the middle strand. Now again add hair to the front strand and pass it under the middle strand, and then pass your back strand under the middle strand. Remember, do not add hair to the back strand and pass the front and back strands under the middle strands like we do in a usual Dutch braid. Now once you're done, like a little above your eyebrow area, just complete it like a normal braid. Pull out the braid a little to give it a little volume and secure it with a pin at the back of your head. Now on the other side of your head, take 3 strands, pass the front strand under the middle, then pass your back strand under the middle strand, and then add hair to your front strand and pass it under the middle, and then pass the back strand under the middle without adding hair to it. Again, add hair to the front strand and pass it under the middle, and then pass the back strand under the middle. Now keep on adding hair to your front strand and keep on passing it under the middle strand, and keep on passing the back strand under the middle strand without adding hair. Now I am trying to explain it as much as possible and as much as I can. I hope you understand, and still if you don't, you can always ask me in the comment section. Now the second hairstyle is going to be a side Dutch braid, and it turns out to be super pretty, so it is worth a little effort. Take a section of your hair from the side of your head like I did. Now take 3 strands and start doing a basic Dutch braid. Pass the front strand under the middle, then pass the back strand under the middle. Now again you have 3 strands. Now add hair to your front strand and pass it under the middle. Now add hair to your back strand and pass it under the middle. That's it. You have to keep repeating the same steps. Add hair to your front strand, pass it under the middle. Now add hair to your back strand and pass it under the middle. That's it guys. Keep on repeating this. Now for the last hairstyle, I decided to do something that is near to a waterfall braid, but this is going to be super easy and a doable one. Take 2 strands of your hair like I did, twist them around as you can see. Now take a strand of your hair from the top of your head and pass it between the 2 strands, the ones you twisted. Now once you have passed the 3rd strand, just twist again and take another strand and pass it between the 2 strands. Then just leave the 3rd strand and twist the 2 strands you are working with. Now once you have twisted, take another strand, pass it between the 2 strands and twist. Now take another strand of your hair, pass it between the 2 strands and twist. Now again, take a strand of your hair, pass it between the 2 strands and twist. Basically you're working with 2 strands, you're just taking a 3rd strand and passing it between the 2 and just letting it be. You can add as many strands as you want, you can cover your whole head by it, but I decided to keep it on one side of my head. Now just to make them prominent, I will curl each strand separately so that they become really visible. You can skip this step or you can do it as you wish. So guys, that is it. Do let me know which one was your favorite in the comment section below, and do subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video.